Sole. In the last video, we completed our kitchen by adding props to it. Today, let us learn how to make 2D drawings in plot sheet in Python Planner. So let's get started. To begin with, I will make my ceiling invisible. This was the kitchen that we made. Before we switch to plot sheet, I will also hide my props. My props have been assigned to a layer. So what I will do is go to Layer, Properties. Under the props layer, my layers are now visible, selectable and changeable. I will just untick the box. So as you can see, my layers are now invisible, which obviously means I cannot select them nor change them. Confirm with OK. As you can see, there are elevation lines and faces. The one reason why these are given is for the plot sheet. These elevation lines and faces have been assigned a layer. Right click on the screen, make exclusively visible, from layer, plan door swings. I will just click that and confirm with OK. Enter. So as you can see, these faces and edges indicate my cabinets. I will now switch to my plot sheet. You can go to plot sheet from icon bar. So this is my plot sheet page. Here I can draw text, give dimensions, add sections to it. Just right click on the blank sheet and insert your top view. So these are the faces and edges we had in our model. Just right click on it, edit details, which means you can move your drawing anywhere or you can even scale it. Just click and drag. Again right click, go to properties. Here you can scale it by adding a dimension. You can make changes to layers. You can turn off or on your graphic styles. So this is how those faces will look. These are the indications of your cabinets, the placement of your cabinets and the opening of your cabinet externals. Let us now move to our sections and elevations. Go to main, all parts visible. Make our ceiling invisible. Before we switch to plot sheet, I will change the pen color of my entire kitchen to pen 1. Go to pens, select the pen and then select all your parts, exactly all parts. After the pen settings, as you can see, there are a lot of dimensions given. I will hide few dimensions and only keep the ones which I require. So again go to layer, properties and hide my parametric dimension. Confirm with OK. So these are the basic width dimension. Then I will switch to my plot sheet. Right click on the sheet, insert top view. So this is my top view. To edit the details, you can also double click on the detail. I will move the detail to one corner. Right click, go to properties, scale it properly, turn my shaded off, confirm with OK. Also, if you want to change your pen size, go to pen setting. As we have given pen number 1, just double click and change the pen thickness to desired width. So if you see now, the pen thickness is really thin. Let us now make sections. You can make changes to your page setup. You can make changes to your page. You can make default changes or you can make changes to the individual page, that is the page you are currently working on. Go to individual. I can here create frames for my page, give marks, add project path, add my date. You can change it to portrait, landscape, PDF. You can do all the necessary changes that you require in your page through page setup. Confirm with OK. I will now create sections. To create section, go to sections. Here you can select the cutting plane, the way you want to cut your sections, either horizontal or vertical. Or if you have sections in your model, you can import those sections to your plot sheet through sections from model. I will select section horizontal in model and cut my section through here. If you want your sections on the upper side, you can keep it the way it is. Or if you want your arrow to move towards the opposite side, all you need to do is just slide your arrow. Click. So my section is now created. I can edit the detail and move it to the sides where I want. Now if I want to edit the details of my section, just right click on the section and go to section properties. Here I can define whether I want hatch or no hatch. Here I can change my pen. Here I can define the auto dimensions. I can turn off my hidden edges. You can hide the hatch. Or you can change the hatch line to grid, filled, core hatching. And you can make these settings as default. Confirm with OK. Same way I will now take a section vertical. So as you can see, my section is not proper. I will just rotate it. Right click on the section, rotate details. So that's how you can easily create your sections in Plotsheet and edit the details. You can also draw, add text, add dimensions. Just click on dimension, define the way you want your dimension. If I select parallel, just pick the points from where to where you want to add your dimension and enter. So my dimension is easily added. You can also add title block to your Plotsheet. Title block, you can load your own title block, or there's a standard title block which you can use. You can also add parts list, that is your BOQ or BOM, to Plotsheet. From here you can switch to the next sheet and just click part list. So here my part list has been added. You can edit the details and adjust your part list according to the sheet size. You can add your own symbols, image files, QR codes, position numbers, change your pen settings. You can add a new sheet. And once your Plotsheet setting is done, you can also export the Plotsheet or print it. There's one more thing you can do to give details to your drawing or to highlight details in your drawing. I will just shift to page 1, go to tools, and there's this option called as clip off. Or press Ctrl plus Shift and then select the part. I can add a frame to it, scale my part, confirm with OK. So that's how you can highlight certain sections from your drawing. And once all the sheets are completed, you can print or export it into different formats. So that's how you can easily create on Plotsheets in Pythaplanner. In the next video, we will learn something about rendering in Pythaplanner. Thank you.